Welcome back to my channel. My name is Janae. I'm a brand designer, product photographer, videographer, and website designer. And today I decided to turn my office into my new YouTube recording setup. Now let me start by saying, the way I create my setup today is most likely not going to be the final version. It's going to be a work in progress. I wanted to create a space that makes me actually excited to drive from my house and sit down to create video content. Because let's be real, when your environment feels uninspiring, it can be hard to feel motivated to create content. But I noticed that when the space is just right, that spark of creativity and motivation hits me. And then suddenly ideas start flowing. So I'm going to show you what my office space looks like right now, but don't judge me. I haven't been in my office for a while. It's currently Christmas break and I just have my equipment all over the place. I never got to set it up when I first moved in a few months ago. So as you can see, I did nothing with it when I moved in earlier this year. And honestly, it's kind of just here, but that's all changing now. So first I got this blue backdrop, and this will be the backdrop in my videos, at least for now. It's a subtle color, but that's exactly why I chose it. I just want my videos to feel warm, inviting, and easy to watch. And blue has this calming, welcoming vibe, and I feel like that just works. And one of my favorite additions that I'm excited to add to the recording setup, these Pantone color cards. So these are not only a nod to my brand design background, but a little creative touch to the overall aesthetic and vibe that I'm going for in the space. They make the space feel more personal, and as I would say, on brand. So of course there are gonna be a few more things that I add to the space to make it feel more complete, but for now, it's about getting started and creating a space that motivates me to show up and film consistently. Now, let's start to set up the space. Okay, let's do a test to see how this actually looks. Wow, the difference is crazy. I think I'm gonna have to drop my camera a little bit on the tripod or change the angle because this chair is kind of low. I do want to get another chair though because this table is higher. I have a whole other desk in my storage unit, but I do not want to put that together. There are so many pieces for it. Maybe I will in the future, but for now, I'm using this foldable table that I've been using for my product photography projects for clients. But maybe I'll get a higher chair first, but I do like the orange because it's one of my brand colors, so. I do think it fits the vibe, blue and orange, very good combination together. But yeah, maybe I'll just adjust the angle a little bit just to see. But I'm liking the vibe so far. I don't want to do too much. I would definitely want to add hints of gold because I do like how gold ties into my brand color palette. But let's see what happens when I change the angle or just bring my tripod down a little bit. Wow, this feels so crazy right now. Like I have my own recording setup now and I can just come here from my house and record content. I don't need to set anything else up. I have all my lights set up. I'll probably play around with light placement. But yeah, how are we feeling about this chair? This chair is so comfortable. To me, it just feels a little bit too low. I'm not sure. I really love the orange because it just fits the vibe on brand with my brand color palette, and I I don't know, it's a comfortable chair. So maybe I can find like a rolling desk chair that's this color. I don't know. If you have any ideas, any links to chairs that are just a bit higher, that have like a backrest or anything like that with wheels, let me know. But for now, I'm rolling with this. I got my laptop here. Even opening the laptop just made this feel even more crazy. This works for me. I don't know if I want to use my podcast mic or if that's just too much. I don't mind just wearing my wireless mic on me. I know the look of a big mic right here can be off-putting or distracting. So I do have the lavalier microphone that I can attach. So I'll probably use that as well, or switch back and forth between the podcast mic. Or is just getting rid of it as a whole better, and then I just wear the microphone. Which one looks better? I don't know. But I'm loving this right now. This just feels so crazy. I'll zoom the lens out and show you how the setup looks behind the scenes. So this is what it looks like behind the scenes. It really looks so cute to me. It's very inviting, and it's already motivating me to make content. I did such a bad job cutting here. I was trying to do it myself, obviously, because no one else is here to help me, but I found a way to hide it. I'm eventually going to cut another piece. So that's it for my new YouTube setup. I can't wait to see how this space evolves as I grow and experiment with new ideas. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more behind the scenes content like this. See you in the next video.